Hi there. Um, Today I have something that very simple to fix for you. This is a 2003-2004 Toyota Tacoma, and with the 2.4 engine on it. So sometimes you have a hard time to start. Like, let's say you put your keys in there and you press down your clutch, and you have nothing. You hear nothing and no clicking, nothing. Okay, so that is something wrong, right? So you have juice on a starter, you have juice on a battery, and you have strong cranking. Now I will show you where to find the problem. So when you have something like this, they call the clutch neutral safety switch. Okay, on a Toyota, some model like the 4Runner and the four-wheel drive Tacoma, they have a clutch cancel right here that you can cancel and start it. But on this one right here, you have to press your clutch all the way to start it. If you don't press all the way to start, and it doesn't work, right? Sometimes like this right here, you need this part right here. Okay, when you have the little sensor here go out, then you don't, doesn't matter how hard you press your clutch, it won't start because the sensor is bad. Okay, so on this one right here, have a time to time, sometimes it's hard to start, and that's why you have to change this right here. Very simple. It's only one nut that holding this right here, so I will show you how we done. The sensor is this one right here at your clutch pedal. You have a sensor right here holding by a 14 millimeter nut. Okay, use an open wrench or a closed box socket like this, so you should be able to take them out. I'm gonna do it by one hand only because I hold the camera, unless I can do it. Okay, let's see this way. There, pop out already. Okay, and then detach this, and then unplug from here. Press this hard. There. Then you put the new ones in and ready to put it back to where it's starting from. Okay. And using the same nut. Okay. So make sure it's tight. Don't tight too much because you want to break this too, because it's just a little sensor, you know. If you break this, then it doesn't work. Okay, make sure it's the clutch all the way touch it. Okay, if this doesn't touch it, then you cannot, the sensor doesn't work, you know. Okay, all right, that's it. Thank you for watching. Something simple like this you can do at home and do yourself. You got this video to help you to solve your problem. So something very easy and simple fix like this, I know for sure you can do it at home. And the main thing is to know where the location is, to know how to fix it. Is, you know, to, you don't know which one. So many things that can cost like this, you know. It can cost your slaves not working and all that stuff. That's why it doesn't start, you know. And normally if you press your clutch a couple times and it work, or you press and it doesn't work, then likely it will be this sensor here. So alright, easy fix for you. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. To say thank you, just subscribe, and that will be helping a lot. Okay. Bye bye now.